Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Pious Man and His Sons. The Prophet Yakhub alayhi salam, or Jacob, was a pious man. He lived in Canaan, some 30 miles north of Jerusalem. He and his family lived in tents. He had 12 sons. Yusuf alayhi salam was the second youngest of them. One day, Yusuf alayhi salam had an unusual dream in which 11 stars and the sun and the moon all bowed down to him. When his father heard about his dream, he understood that great things lay in store for his young and best loved son. For their part, being aware of their father's love for Yusuf alayhi salam, the 10 big brothers became so resentful that they began to hate him. They would go off to look after the family's flocks, grumbling and muttering. They became so jealous of their father's love for this younger brother that they banded together and hatched a plot to kill him. One day they took him with them, pretending they were going out for a picnic. Coming close to a well, they took him unaware and seizing him from behind, they dragged him to the well and threw him down into it. Yusuf alayhi salam landed on the dry bottom of the well with a thud. There would be no climbing those slippery sides to escape. But he was a brave boy and did not cry. His courage never failed him. He turned towards his Lord for help. While his dear father sorrowed for him, Yusuf alayhi salam lay at the bottom of the dark well for about 3 nights. In the meanwhile, a caravan from Syria heading for Egypt camped near the well. One of the caravan people threw his bucket into the well to fetch some water. But to his surprise, when he pulled up his bucket, there was a good-looking boy clinging to it. The caravan people took him to Egypt and sold him to an Egyptian prince who was called the Aziz. The Aziz took this innocent and good-natured boy to his wife and told her to take good care of him. In this way, Allah helped him to reach from an unknown village to the most advanced city of that time. Thus, Allah helps those who remain steadfast and follow His path. To know more about the message and meaning of Allah's words, look up the following parts of the Quran, which tell the story of the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Surah Yusuf. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. May peace be upon you.